So, did you catch the details on that new weight loss drug? It's called ecnoglutide, and it might actually beat the likes of Ozempic and Wegovy in clinical trials.
Yeah, absolutely. It's fascinating. From what I gathered, it's a GLP-1 receptor agonist, right? But it specifically targets the CAMP pathway, which is pretty unique.
Uh huh. Exactly. And that focus on the CAM pathway is um, kind of revolutionary because most other drugs in this class affect multiple chemical pathways.
Yeah, I see. And in the recent phase 3 trial conducted in China, they compared it directly with dulaglutide. And the results? Participants on ecnoglutide lost nearly twice as much weight.
Right.
It's like they honed in on the key metabolic control mechanism.
Yes. And think about it. By selectively activating the CAMP pathway, ecnoglutide might reduce the usual side effects seen with broader acting GLP-1 drugs. Even though some patients did report nausea and diarrhea, those symptoms tended to lessen over time.
Now, here's something I was wondering. While it's promising that side effects reduce as treatment goes on, do you think targeting only one pathway might leave some patients without the broader benefit they get from multi-pathway activation?
Yeah, I get that point. Sure, that's a fair critique. But the idea here is that by focusing solely on CAMP, they might actually improve overall metabolic control and still achieve glycemic regulation without the off target effects.
Right? That selective action could be a major plus. And the trial didn't just look at weight loss. It also recorded improvements in waist and hip circumference, as well as reductions in triglycerides, all indicators of lower cardiovascular risk.
Yeah,
This
absolutely.
seems like a comprehensive benefit beyond just shedding pounds.
Exactly. I mean, it's like having a precision tool versus a blunt instrument. You get the exact effect you need without unnecessary distractions.
I like that analogy. But another interesting point was that despite the strong performance, ecnoglutide might also be more affordable even at lower doses. That could really change the game for people struggling with type 2 diabetes and obesity.
Uh-huh, that's a key benefit. Right. It's promising for both treatment effectiveness and cost efficiency. Of course, we need more long-term studies to confirm these benefits, but the initial results are compelling.
Yeah, definitely. The clinical trial included 621 participants aged 18 to 75, all using it alongside metformin, which reinforces its potential not just as a weight loss agent, but also as an adjunct for diabetes management.
Absolutely, it's a two for one in tackling both weight and blood sugar. And both doses were well tolerated overall, promising on the safety front. I mean, aside from those common side effects that seem to taper off over time.
Right, though I still wonder about the persistence of any minor side effects in a broader population. That's a valid concern. It will be interesting to see how further trials expand on these findings and if ecnoglutide truly sets a new standard for treating these conditions.
For sure, it's a new chapter in weight management and diabetes treatment. So, overall, the focus on the CAM pathway, the improved weight loss metrics, and potential cost benefits all point to ecnoglutide being a next generation treatment.
It's definitely a topic to watch closely. I'm excited to see how this evolves. It could really shape the future of metabolic and weight management, especially with the growing global challenge of obesity and type 2 diabetes.
Yeah, truly exciting times for medical science.